Here's how to post loop photo on Instagram. All you have to need, open your Instagram app and tap this plus icon. Then select story. And now you can just tap on this boomerang option. Once you selected the boomerang option, you can actually capture a boomerang or loop photo. So as you can see the result, now you can actually publish this loop photo on your story. Or if you want to upload a loop photo from your gallery, here's how you can do it. Select gallery option, and now you have to select a live photo from your gallery. So select a live photo, and here in this right hand menu you find this loop icon. Just tap on that to activate loop effect, and then tap on done. And now go ahead and publish this loop photo on your Instagram story. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.